Hello friends, day 45, a pretty good day. I managed 15 miles today and my appetite's returning, so I think I'm feeling a bit better. I met with Rob and his friend and we had lunch in a wonderful honesty barn at Blackton Reservoir. Thank you so much to the people who provide that, and yeah, pretty good. So see you on the trail. Pretty good view again down over the reservoir there. So here's my tent. Not quite as sheltered as I'd have liked, but hopefully not too windy tonight. This is the amazing barn tea shop at Blackton Reservoir. No prices on anything, you just decide what you want to pay. Brilliant.